I'm about to propose to somebody tonight with this rock. Look at it. Look at it.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We're back again with another old-fashioned Friday. First and foremost, got a special guest by the name of
Davey Jones. Let's go.
Davey Jones.
Happy
today.
Friday.
Where are we at
Cheers.
today?
We're at Dauphines in DC.
We're at Dauphines, located in downtown DC. We're actually at a Mardi Gras event that they're having today. Today's Fat Tuesday. So if you hear some loud music, that's what that is. But before this event kicked off, we had to do an OF because I saw some pictures of the old fashions and they looked insane. Also, I explained at the beginning of this season that we're going to do 5 Old Fashioned Fridays outside of Virginia. So this, I believe, is our 3rd one, which obviously we're in DC, not too far from Virginia. Let's jump right into it. You guys know how this works. 0 to 3 on appearance, 0 to 3 on first sip, 0 to 3 on overall taste, and 0 to 1 on overall ambiance to the restaurant. Ambiance to the restaurant, you ate here before.
Yeah, this place is dope. They have an oyster bar. It's just a classy establishment. It's downtown in DC. Like you can't get anything better than this right now.
Indoor, outdoor.
Indoor, outdoor.
Bars.
Nice, a huge bar. It's like ginormous. It's crazy. It's big.
So 0 through 1.
Oh, 1, of course.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go full 1 too. I just walked in, but it's a whole vibe here. Like super chic. Definitely one of the nicest places I've been to in the whole DMV, not just DC or Virginia. Let's jump into this appearance. Let's see if you guys can see this. Hold on now. I gotta do them right. Clarified ice, beautiful glass, Dauphines logo stamp on top of the ice, orange peel. They actually gave Davey Jones a different kind of stamp.
I have a leaf.
So he's got the leaf stamp. I got the big D stamp on mine.
Big D.
You know,
Dauphines represent Big D.
Listen, you guys, if you watch Old Fashioned Fridays before, you guys know what I'm looking for. Single cube, clarified ice, nice size glass, nice pretty glass. This has literally everything that we're looking for. I'm going full 3 off of appearance.
Yeah, definitely full 3. I love the big clear ice. Like, oh my goodness, it's nice.
Beautiful.
Orange peel, smells good.
Smells great.
Fresh.
All right, before we jump into this first sip, price point is $16. They're using a Woodford Reserve, but not only Woodford Reserve, they have their own private barrel select just at Dauphines that they got to pick their own barrel of Woodford Reserve, which I think is going to be incredible. They have a house-made syrup that they use, not just like this generic simple syrup. So I got pretty high expectations right now.
I'm ready to drink it, man.
My God, first sip, let's go. Cheers, bro.
Smooth.
God damn.
Smooth.
Okay.
This is smooth. Like this is a good old fashioned.
It's clean. God damn.
It's good. It's good. It doesn't have the Luxardo or cherry, but you know, at some of these finer establishments, you don't need it. It tastes
I always say that the Luxardo is a bonus. If they have it, dope. If they don't, you know.
It's really good though.
I'm
ready to crush this.
Well,
the
party's about to start, so we got to finish this quick. But first sip, that's as close to as good as it's going to get. I'm going to go 2.95.
Yeah, I'm going to full 3.
Full 3 for Davey Jones.
Got me.
Let's get in this overall.
Overall, let's go.
And then maybe I'll show some of the B-roll of the Mardi Gras event. So,
you doing this?
If you're looking to come to Mardi Gras next year, okay. There we go. That's Davey Jones, ladies and gentlemen.
It's smooth. Like, literally, you can't do that with some old fashioned. You're like, it's incredibly smooth.
Can't really do that with a lot of drinks, but you know. Davey Jones.
Loving it. That's a 3. Hands down.
You're going full 10?
Yeah, that's a 3.
Okay.
It's good.
Full 10. This is the second full 10 we've ever had. We've only had 1. Full 10 for Davey Jones. No, it is incredible. Next year, if you guys aren't doing anything around Mardi Gras time, if they're having this event again, they have a band, DJ, they have people throwing fire and stuff.
Yeah, it's gonna get
full
crazy
open
tonight.
bar, food, everything. So if you see any events here at Dauphines in DC, regardless of the holiday, I would highly recommend swinging through. I'm gonna finish this last swig. Anything else you want to say?
No, you guys definitely have to check it out. Once again, it's a New Orleans style restaurant. Good old fashioned, good oysters. I mean, the food here is phenomenal. I had the jambalaya. It was like a duck breast jambalaya. Like, it was delicious. So definitely check it out.
I'm gonna stick to the same. Again, that's what you get with this clarified ice, baby. Look at that thing.
Look at that.
Hold on now.
The
Hold
Rock's
on now.
in the building.
Look at that thing.
The Rock's
that's
in
what
the
you get right
building.
there, brother. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I'm
Look
going
at
same 2.95. Davey Jones.
I'm about to propose to somebody tonight with this rock. Look at it. Look at it. Yo.
Drop my mic. I dropped my mic.
Yo.
Okay.
Ice.
Davey Jones, full 10. Second full 10 we've ever had in the history of OFF. I'm keeping same 2.95, so mine's a 9.9. 9.9 out of 10. Close to as perfect as you're going to get. Right here, Dauphines, DC, downtown DC. Davey Jones.
Let's go.
Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.